dude.
Joe, shut up.
Hey, what's up, Joe?
Joe, I don't know, this vacation is a total mess. He keeps snoring every night. I can't sleep. I don't know what to do. I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and just keep going on and on and on.
Joe, I have an idea. Why don't you just swap his sunscreen for some body lotion? And he'll get a sunburn. And he won't be able to sleep. He'll be up all night without snoring.
That's not a bad idea. I'll try that.